How to find square root of 0.0001 by long division method. At first you need to make pair. After decimal you need to make pair from left hand side to right hand side, and before decimal for whole number part you need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. So this is your whole number part 0. This is your first pair. You can consider here one more 0, but we don't know this. And for fractional part, this is one pair, this is pair 2. Now work on this first pair. Now you need to consider here a digit whose square is equal to 0 or nearest to 0. If you take here 0, then 0 square equal to 0, which is equal. So same digit will come to the quotient. Okay, so 0 times 0 0, subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down the next pair. Before this pair there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. As you have placed here 0, same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add 0 plus 0 0. Now you need to guess here a digit, same digit will come here and you need to multiply. So here you have 0, and if you consider here a digit and you need to also multiply. Since your dividend is 0 0, so if you consider here 0, then 0 times 0 0. That is, if you consider 0 0 0 times 0 0, 0 times 0 0 means 0 0. Okay, triple 0 means 0, double 0 means 0. So 0 times 0 0 means 0 or 0 0. Now subtract, you will get 0. As you have placed here 0, same digit will come under this divisor and need to add. 0 plus 0 0 means 0 0. You can place here 1 0 as your wish. Now bring down the next pair. 0 1. 0 0 1 means actually 1. Now you need to consider here a digit. Here we have 1. So if I take here 1, 1 must come here. 1 times 1 means 1. So look, 0 0 1 means 1, and this 1 1. So 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1. You can put here 0 to make it fit, or you can delete like this. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. As you have placed here 1, same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 1 plus 1, 2, then 0 0. 2, then 0 0. Okay, or you can write just 2. Look, ignoring the decimal, 0 0 1 means 1. The double of 1 is 2. This signals us that the answer 0.01 is correct. So the square root of 0.0001 by long division method is 0.01.